welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. If you're new or reoccurring and haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. If you have subscribed, then thank you so much for doing that. You know, when it comes to Easter time, as it's getting closer to Easter on April 1st, the things that come to my mind are Easter bunnies and just bunny rabbits in general. So what else comes with bunny rabbits? Well, they like to eat carrots. So I decided for Easter to make a carrot cake that people will enjoy. It will be super moist and super enjoyable that it will just melt in your mouth. What you're going to need is 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of applesauce, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 cups of grated carrots, and 4 eggs. Okay, now we are going to put this all together. So you're going to add in your dry ingredients first, your flour, your sugar, salt, cinnamon, your nice baking powder and baking soda, your carrots. That's a lot of carrots. It's a freaking lot of carrots. Now your applesauce. And now you're going to mix it all together and add your eggs in one at a time slowly. So let's get mixing with this. Now, here's what your cake batter should look like. You see, it's very movable and everything. That's how you want it to be, because we're going to add it into a pan. Now, most people are going to use one of those rectangular pans for this, because when you think of carrot cake, it's rectangular. But I don't have a rectangular one, but I got a round springform loaded pan right here. Okay, this is what I'm going to use. So what you're going to do first is you're going to butter the inside and around it, as I've already done that. So you do that so that your cake doesn't stick to the pan. Okay, so here is our pan, here is our mixture, our cake batter. So you're just gonna transfer it in. That's it. Just transfer it all in. So you want to get it all out. Everything to the last drop. There we go. So now you add your cake into your oven at 325 for 50 to 60 minutes. But I'm going to check it at 50 minutes to make sure that it is getting nicely done, so I don't overcook it and it doesn't burn. Now the timer is about to go off, and if you don't have anything to really poke into your cake to find out if it's gooey still or not, just use a knife like this. See, I've poked it all the way to the bottom and it's not gooey. That is how you want it. So it means it's ready to come out. What you're going to need to make this cream cheese frosting is half of a whole big brick of cream cheese, 1/4 of a cup of butter softened, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of confectionate sugar, or powdered sugar as I call it. So the very first thing you're going to do is mix your butter and your cream cheese together until it's nice and smooth. So this is what it looks like when it's done being all nice and smooth so far. We haven't added the powder yet or the vanilla extract, but this is how it comes out. So now you add your vanilla extract, and you're going to add the powder in little by little, because you want to keep it all nice and smooth, but you don't want to damage it. You just want to get it nice and going. This is what it looks like when it's all mixed in. Okay? Looks nice, white, delicious, and creamy, as you can see. See? It's nice and stiff too, as you want it. You don't want it to be really soft, and you don't want it to be really rock hard. You just want it to be nicely movable, so you can move it around as you're putting it on top of your cake. So now we're going to take our frosting and we're going to make it into a color of orange. So you're going to add 1 drop of red, 2 drops of yellow. I've already done it, and as you can see, it's in there just to test it out with a small little sample to make sure it actually did work. And it does work. Now if you want it lighter, you got to add 2 more of these, because it comes out a little dark. So you add 2 more of yellow and it will come out like that, as you can see in the middle. So now I'm going to see if this is all going to change it. Okay, it didn't fully come out orange as I wanted. It's more pinkish orange, but that's okay. You know, we'll use it. We're going to use it for it because it looks amazing. Truly the best moment you guys have been waiting for. I'm going to put the frosting, the cream cheese frosting, on top of the carrot cake, because now it is time to do that, because it has been set. Now this is the simplest part. What you're going to do is take your frosting that you have here, and you're going to place it on top of the cake. It's very simple, very easy. And now you're going to take a spatula and you're going to get it all on there. Okay, now if I had a turning table, this would be a little bit easier to do. But since I don't, just got to go the best route you can on how to get it. Now if you think there's not enough, you got to add more. So I'm going to add the rest of it, all of it on there, because then I know for sure I have enough. See, there we go. There's our cake. I truly hope you enjoyed watching this video of me making a carrot cake with a cream cheese frosting. I know I enjoyed creating it. It always makes me happy to do this. So I hope it made you happy to watch me do this. And you can do it too at your house. Very simple, very easy. Please hit that thumbs up button, squash it, smash it. High five it, do whatever you have to, just hit it. Also share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And comment below. If there's something you want me to create in the baking section, please let me know. I will gladly do it for you. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz and Jay's Squad. And remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.